Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize your ideas in Obsidian with Excalidraw. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Excalidraw installed, you'll know how to create a drawing canvas, and you'll be able to turn simple ideas into diagrams, mind maps, and visual workflows directly inside your Obsidian vault. We're going to start right inside Obsidian. Open your vault so you're on a regular note or the home screen. To get the drawing tools we need, we'll install a community plugin. Look for the gear icon to open settings. It's usually in the lower left corner of the app. Click it to open the settings panel. Inside settings, find the community plugins section. This area allows you to extend Obsidian with tools created by the community. If it's your first time using community plugins, you may see a message about safe mode or third-party plugins. Review the notice and allow community plugins so you can continue. Next, click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. In the search bar, type Excalidraw. You should see the Excalidraw plugin appear in the results. Open the page, take a quick look at the description if you'd like, then click Install. After the installation finishes, click Enable. Once enabled, the plugin becomes available throughout your vault. Close the settings window and return to your workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Excalidraw icon. Click it to create a new drawing. Obsidian will open a fresh Excalidraw canvas, giving you an infinite workspace where you can sketch ideas visually. The toolbar contains everything you'll need to create diagrams. You can draw freehand, insert rectangles, circles, diamonds, arrows, lines, and text. Start by selecting a rectangle and dragging it onto the canvas. Then double-click the shape and type a label. This is a simple way to represent a concept, task, or step in a process. Next, add another shape below it or beside it. Use the arrow tool to connect the two shapes. Connecting elements visually helps show relationships between ideas and creates a structure that's often easier to understand than a long page of text. If you're creating a workflow, try building a simple flowchart. Add a rectangle labeled Start, another rectangle labeled Gather Information, and a diamond labeled Decision. Connect them with arrows to show the sequence. This kind of diagram is useful for planning projects, documenting processes, or brainstorming solutions. You can also use Excalidraw for mind maps. Place a central idea in the middle of the canvas, then branch outward with connected shapes for related concepts. This approach works especially well for studying, content planning, and organizing complex topics. To keep your drawings readable, leave enough space between elements and keep labels short. Consistent spacing makes diagrams easier to scan and understand later. You can resize shapes, move items around, and adjust connectors at any time. Another useful feature is text. Select the Text tool, click anywhere on the canvas, and start typing. Use text for titles, explanations, annotations, or notes that support your diagram. You can place labels directly on arrows or next to shapes to provide additional context. As your drawing grows, use zoom controls to navigate larger canvases. You can zoom in for detailed editing or zoom out to view the entire structure at once. This flexibility makes Excalidraw useful for both simple sketches and larger planning boards. When you're finished, simply close the tab or switch to another note. Your Excalidraw file is automatically saved inside your vault, making it easy to reopen, edit, link, and organize alongside your markdown notes. That's it. You opened Obsidian, enabled community plugins, installed Excalidraw, created a canvas, added shapes, connected ideas with arrows, and built a visual representation of your thinking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.